Today we're excited to introduce the BABELIO Foldable Baby Playpen, a 50 inches by 50 inches portable playyard designed for babies and toddlers that requires no assembly, making it perfect for busy families. This versatile playpen is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, featuring a quick and simple setup process that takes just 2 easy steps, allowing you to focus more on playtime and less on complicated instructions. Its portable design includes a convenient storage bag, making it a breeze to take on your travels and effortlessly switch between different spaces without the hassle of heavy lifting. Safety is a top priority with the ASTM certified construction, ensuring stability even when your little one leans against it, and it's crafted from durable steel and Oxford cloth to withstand energetic play. The 360-degree full vision design features soft, breathable mesh sides, allowing you to keep an eye on your child while keeping your hands free, and the zipper door offers easy access for interaction. With a just right size of 50 inches by 50 inches, this play yard provides a spacious yet manageable play area, and the removable fabric makes cleaning a snap. Experience peace of mind and endless fun with the BABELIO Foldable Baby Playpen, the perfect blend of convenience, safety, and durability for your child's playtime adventures.